Welcome to Emulate Follicles Scalp Micropigmentation. My name is Sreejeet and I'm the owner and scalp micropigmentation practitioner at Emulate Follicles Scalp Micropigmentation. We redefine the hairline, providing a fuller, closely buzzed look or a shaved shadow hairstyle, ultimately enhancing the confidence and providing the liberation from hair loss and baldness through scalp micropigmentation. Our passion and purpose lie in restoring self assurance by offering the best possible SMP services tailored to meet individual needs. With the blend of expertise, experience, continuous learning, and skill enhancement in SMP, along with my personal struggles in hair loss for many years, and ultimately finding the one stop solution in SMP, we understand the challenges a person with hair loss faces every day, every moment. We strive to deliver the best results for our clients. At Emulate Follicles, we specialize exclusively in scalp micropigmentation, a non invasive cosmetic procedure that mimics the appearance of a fuller, natural hair follicles on the scalp. We begin each journey with a comprehensive consultation to understand our client's level of hair loss, their goals, preferences, and concerns. We then provide a clear and detailed information about how scalp micropigmentation will address their specific hair loss level from the initial session to completion and guide them on managing their new fuller look with scalp micropigmentation. We follow this approach because we understand that many of our clients experience a great emotional impact when witnessing their new hairline and fuller appearance after scalp micropigmentation, after years of hair loss. This can sometimes be overwhelming for them, underscoring the importance of explaining what they can expect with SMP. A customized approach sets the foundation for a successful SMP experience. During our treatment, we utilize the best SMP equipments and techniques to deliver precise SMP treatments, whether addressing baldness, thinning hair, failed hair transplant, or the hair transplant scar camouflage. We carefully craft natural looking results that enhance the overall appearance of our clients. Post treatment, we provide detailed aftercare instructions to optimize the settling of SMP and maintain the longevity of results. We remain readily available to address any questions or concerns throughout the process, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. We understand that SMP is an investment in oneself to look and feel good, and its effect flows in every aspect of our life. We offer touch up sessions to refine and maintain the desired outcome, whether refreshing pigment or adjusting the density. Our touch up services ensure a continued satisfaction and confidence for our clients. Experience the transformative power of scalp micropigmentation in India with Emulate Follicles. With a dedication to excellence, innovation, and client satisfaction, we are committed to helping individuals regain confidence and embrace a life where hair loss has no place. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and embark on the path to a fuller and more vibrant appearance.